Hello, today we're in my kitchen on the floor because we're installing the one at a time, one hand tear paper towel holder. We're gonna open this box, see what's inside, and install it, and hopefully put some paper towels on it so we can show you what this looks like. Inside the box, there's the paper towel holder itself, which this one is black. This is what it looks like. And it comes with some screws, some inserts, and some sticky strips so we can install it. I'm actually going to use these sticky strips. If you want to drill a hole in the wall, pre-drill, stick the inserts, and then you can screw in the screws themselves using these holes, and you could also use the sticky pads as well. The holder itself looks like this. It can expand and contract like this. And to install it, I'm simply going to take one of these sticky pads and lay it across the back, like so. And to do this the best way, one can even line up the holes and drill through by using the sticky and the screws at the same time. I'm not going to be doing that, but here's what it looks like when installed. Paper towels, and one hand tear. There we go.